Bharati Law College. I stand before you to extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone of you for gracing today's convocation ceremony with your presence. We are immensely grateful to our distinguished guest, Honorable Advocate V.D. Sapkar Sir, Bombay High Court Bench, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, for giving us your valuable time. We are also thankful to Honorable Shri Avinash Patil Sir, Advisor of Naval Pratishthan, for their presence on this occasion. We are also thankful to Mr. Abhishek Patil Sir, Trustee of Naval Pratishthan, for his presence. Further, I would also thankful to our President and ex-Central Minister Shri Vijayanawala Patil Sir, Mrs. Priyadarshini Patil Madam, that is Didi, for their constant support to our institution. I also express my gratitude to Principal Dr. Little Nandedkar Madam for her support towards college development. Special thanks to our teaching staff, Professor Sheikh Madam, Dongar Madam, Site Madam, and other PhD teaching staff also. It is very important for us to thank you, Mr. Raman Patil Sir, for going the extra mile for working overtime for the college needs. I would also thankful to all non-teaching staff, without whose effort programs as stressful as this would not be possible. Finally, I express my sincere thanks to all my students and ex-students also on your successful achievement. I also wish you all the best for your future endeavors. With the permission of our guest and chairman, I declare today's convocation ceremony is over.
Respected Advocate V.D. Sapkar Sir, Senior Counsel, Aurangabad High Court, Principal Dr. Little Nandedkar Ma'am, Dr. Shilpa Rani Dongar Ma'am, Dr. Sabiha Sheikh Ma'am, Mrs. Kulkarni, Mrs. Vaishali Kite, Advocate Deshmukh, all the faculty members, and all you, my dear young friends. About 42 years ago, I sat on the other side where you are today. I am proud to tell you that I am also a law graduate from Mumbai University. I completed my degree in law in 1982 with first class. I did my first year LLM in Mumbai University, second year I couldn't complete. It was always my aim to learn laws, to be an able person in all the walks of life. This day is bigger for your parents, and now that you have achieved this degree, please give yourself a big round of applause, because it's a big achievement you have got. I'm not a very good speaker. I've written down something, but then I'm not in a position to read that. The reason is, I want to explain after listening to the chief guest today, Sapkar Sir. I also want to talk something extempore. The thing is, in one's life, it's the hard work, honesty, and determination that makes a person perfect, and one can sail through his life in a successful way. The various ups and downs can come in your life, but then those ups and downs of your life make you perfect. Like Sapkar Sir had said that he had come from an agricultural background, from a small village, so is with us also. Today we are in business, we are the first generation business, but then our forefathers were always into agriculture, and we know what hardship every common man goes through. This particular institution, set up by my maternal uncle in my grandfather's name, is like he had a tremendous interest in social good. He did his law at a very young age of 23 years, and then he is also from a rural background of President Mr. Vijayanawala Patil. In his younger days, he used to conduct legal aid for the poor and all that in Dhulia district, which was further rewarded by people by giving him various positions in politics, government, and he has proven himself. I am very proud of the students of this particular institution, V.N. Patil Law College. Sir, we are very proud to tell you the results of our college, let it be diploma in law, let it be LLB degree or LLM degree. I think we are getting the college which is much earlier to that is Pahade College. Our merit and our results in terms of percentage passing is much higher. I have to request you all that you have got your degree. Earning money is one thing, but then you also have to give something to the society. So, and you are not only a lawyer today, but then you are a government leader of tomorrow or a judge of tomorrow. So we see and we hope that whatever you have learned from this particular institute, you keep in mind and be of a great social and public use. Keep your honesty, humbleness and straightforwardness throughout your life. Thank you.
V.N. पाटील विधी महाविद्यालयामध्ये मागच्या 17 वर्षापासून कार्यरत आहे व 7 वर्षापासून प्राचार्य म्हणून काम बघत आहे। आमचे जे चेअरमन साहेब आहेत विजय नवल पाटील सर म्हणजे नानासाहेब यांनी खूप मोठ्या उद्देशाने ही संस्था सुरू केली होती आणि त्यांनी औरंगाबादमध्ये V.N. पाटील महाविद्यालयाचे नीव ठेवली आहे 1999 रोजी। त्या दिवशीपासून सतत आमचं कॉलेज मागच्या 27 वर्षापासून कार्यरत आहे। आमच्या महाविद्यालयाचा जो रिझल्ट आहे तो देखील खूप चांगला आहे आणि विद्यापीठाच्या परिपत्रकाप्रमाणे आमच्या महाविद्यालयाने हे दुसरा दीक्षांत समारंभ पार पाडलेला आहे, ज्यामध्ये आम्ही PG आणि UG ह्या दोन्ही विद्यार्थ्यांना पदवी प्रदान केलेली आहे। पदवी प्रदान समारंभामध्ये श्री ॲडव्होकेट सपकाळ सर तसेच संस्थेचे ट्रस्टी अभिषेक दादा आणि अविनाश पाटील सर देखील उपस्थित होते। त्यामुळे हा कार्यक्रम विद्यार्थ्यांच्या उत्स्फूर्त प्रतिसादात एकदम व्यवस्थितरित्या पार पाडला। धन्यवाद।
सर, आज जे कार्यक्रम झाला त्याच्याबद्दल थोडीशी माहिती द्या आणि स्टुडंटसाठी भविष्यासाठी तुम्ही आपण काय मेसेज देणार?
आज पाटील लॉ कॉलेजमध्ये कार्यक्रम झाला, तो अत्यंत छान झाला। विद्यार्थ्यांना मी असं सांगू इच्छितो की आता जे विद्यार्थी प्रॅक्टिसमध्ये जाणार किंवा क्षेत्रात जातील तर त्या क्षेत्रात तर त्यांनी लॉयर म्हणून समाजाची सेवा केली पाहिजे। हा जो व्यवसाय आहे हा याच्याकडे व्यवसाय म्हणून न बघता समाजसेवा म्हणून बघितलं पाहिजे। ज्या गरजू लोक आहेत त्यांना आपल्या कायद्याच्या ज्ञानातून मदत केली पाहिजे।
बोला।
सन 2022 पदवी प्रदान समारंभ डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर मराठवाडा विद्यापीठ छत्रपती संभाजीनगर यांच्या कडून जी पदवी डिग्र्या 2022 मिळाल्या त्या आमच्या इथे कार्यक्रम आज सकाळी 9 वाजता प्रमुख पाहुणे VD सपकाळ साहेब तसेच कार्यक्रमाचे अध्यक्ष आमचे संस्थेचे ट्रस्टी अविनाश पाटील सर, प्राचार्य डॉक्टर नांदेडकर मॅडम व आमचे सर्व प्राध्यापक, टीचिंग नॉन टीचिंग सर्व स्टाफ कार्यक्रमाला उपस्थित होते। यामध्ये LLB फायनल 3 इयर्स कोर्स, BLLB फायनल 5 वर्षीय विधी अभ्यासक्रम, डिटेल सायबर लॉ LLM अशा विद्यार्थ्यांना 2022 मध्ये पास झालेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना पदवी देण्यात आली। यामागे आमच्या संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष नानासाहेब विजयनवल पाटील, माजी केंद्रीय मंत्री, हे लॉ कॉलेज 1999ला मान्यता मिळाली आणि 2000 मध्ये हे चालू झालं। आमच्या या नानासाहेबांच्या मार्गदर्शन व प्राध्यापक, प्राचार्य सगळ्यांच्या मेहनतीने आमच्या कॉलेजचे विद्यार्थी प्रत्येक वर्गाचे दरवर्षी पहिल्या विद्यापीठाच्या मेरिटमध्ये येतात। त्यामागे आमचे सर्व प्राध्यापक, प्राचार्य, टीचिंग नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ यांचं मोलाचं मार्गदर्शन असतं। यापुढे आमच्या महाविद्यालयातील विद्यार्थी असेच विद्यापीठात चमकतील असे हे करतो।
रोज नई खबरों को देखने के लिए हमारे औरंगाबाद समाचार चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए हमारे बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि हर खबर की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे।